Fermi Paradox solution. They were here and left evidence on the Earth. So this is the hypothesis that the famous TV series Ancient Aliens supposes. That a long time in the distant past, an intelligent alien species visited the Earth and built the pyramids, talked to humans and made them more intelligent, showed them engineering skills, taught them how to build temples. Maybe the Nazca lines were landing strips that are left over from their craft landing on the Earth. This has all been debunked at length. Some great videos on YouTube about this. Fellow YouTubers have made debunking ancient aliens point by point. Now, don't get me wrong. I love watching ancient aliens. I do. I really do. But the way I watch it is as intellectual entertainment. So here's I have a very benevolent view of ancient aliens because I look at it the same way as I watch Star Wars. Okay, anybody who's been on any of my channels knows that I'm a very big Star Wars fan. But I know that Star Wars is not science. Likewise, when I watch Ancient Aliens, I know it's not science. It's stimulating. It's entertaining. It gives me ideas for science fiction stories. I can even say that it's possible that maybe people who watched this show became interested in archaeology as a result. Maybe people went on to study archaeology because of the show, because it showed ancient sites, Pumapunku and other sites that I probably would never have heard of if it weren't for the show. And maybe led some people to do some serious archaeology or Egyptology or excavations, maybe even some anthropology. Who knows? Astronomy. In the same way that Star Wars or Star Trek even more led people to find careers in science, engineering, and astrophysics and things of that nature. So I don't have a dim view of the show at all. In fact, I'd love to sit down with Giorgio Tsoukalos or David Childress and have a conversation. I think they'd be fascinating people to talk to. Great authors, widely published more books than me. I do have a book, by the way, if you guys want. It's not about ancient aliens. Yeah, so it seems unlikely to me. But I leave my mind open. We found Göbekli Tepe. That changed our ideas about how old organized civilization may be, human civilization. Who knows? Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll unearth a monolith someday, something that is truly alien, and that will prove the hypothesis. But until that happens, I'm relatively unconvinced. I put this on a low scale. If it were on a scale from 1 to 10, I'd put it around a 2 as a possibility. But I'm not saying it didn't happen. I'm just saying I don't believe it did. So what are your thoughts? Go ahead and put them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you as always. And I'll try to respond to every comment if I can. And hit subscribe so you can get more. And see you on the next one. Take care.